Hello! Today I'll show you how to integrate Xendit payment on CloudFunnels. Let's begin. As you can see, we are here on Xendit website, and it is the leading payment gateway for Indonesia, the Philippines, and Southeast Asia. So if you want to use Xendit payment in CloudFunnels, I will show you how easy it is to install it. First, go to your CloudFunnels installation and log in. Now on the sidebar, click on Plugins. Then click here on Visit the Marketplace. And to easily find it, click on Categories. And select Payment Methods. Then scroll down and click on Xendit. Now click on Install, and you will see a notification if it's installed successfully. Now you want to activate the plugin. Click on this button. And when it's activated, you will then see it on the sidebar menu. Now click on it and select All Setups. Click on Create New, and here you will need your public ID and secret ID, and to get those, log into your Xendit account. And on the sidebar, go to Your Settings. Scroll down, and on Developer section, you will see API keys, and click on it. Then you will see your API key and secret key. Now scroll down and copy your public key. And just a quick side note, what I'm showing you is a test mode. If you want the live mode, just click here and select live mode. And for live mode, you need to add your account details and business details. So after you copy the public key, paste it to your CloudFunnels. Also, don't forget to add your title. And now for your secret key, click on this button to generate your secret key. Enter your API key name. Click on your permissions, and you can click on any permissions you want. So I just selected write, and none. Then click on Generate Key. Enter your password and click Confirm. Then here's your secret key. All you need to do is copy and paste it to your CloudFunnels. You can also download it if you want to. So after you paste it on your CloudFunnels, you can now add your desired tax amount, which will be applied through percentage. Then click on Save Settings. Now that your setup is ready, on the sidebar, click on Products. Make sure you have added your product here, and if not, you can click on Create New and add your product details. So since I have my product added, let me now go visit my funnel. So on the sidebar, click on Funnels and Sites. Choose your funnel and click on the Edit Funnel button. Then select Order Form Page and click on Settings. Now choose the payment method we have added, which is Xendit. And then select the product, save settings, and you're done. And that is how easy it is to integrate Xendit payments to CloudFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.